Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Moorish Cuisine. Is there anything better than the classic simplicity of a burger fresh off the grill? A good burger, juicy, flavorful, and with just the right fixins, is summer eating at its best. This delicious chicken burger is grilled to perfection and topped with everything that will keep you wanting more. So let's go and see what we need for this recipe. So the things we need will be some boneless chicken pieces. I have half of a chicken thigh and half of chicken breast. You can use grounded chicken as well. Then I'll be using some breadcrumbs. For that I have these bread slices. Then I have mayonnaise. Yes, you heard it right. Mayonnaise will go in our chicken patty mixture. Then I have some salt, garlic powder and black pepper powder. So these are all the ingredients. Let's go and make it happen. So first step is to make our burger patties, and for that I added boneless chicken pieces into my food processor. Then I add just coarsely chop my bread slices and put it in this food processor. You can use breadcrumbs as well, but since it's gonna be grounded mixture anyway, so I just coarsely chop them and put it in the food processor. Then I added mayo, and this will actually keep it flavorful and keep it moisture, and we don't end up having a disc kind of a hard burger patty. And normally people add milk, but I used mayo, and I bet you try like this, you will have a nicest and the juiciest burger ever. Then I added remaining seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper powder and salt, and then start processing until you have a smooth grounded chicken patty mixture. So as here you can see, I have this smooth grounded mixture. Just take it out, transfer it onto another bowl, and then let it rest for like 5 to 10 minutes. So here's my grounded chicken mixture, and then I have this chopping board. I lined it with some plastic wrap. You can use any flat surface platter. I'm using chopping board. Then I have this cup of water. I'll be using this while I'm making patties, so that mixture doesn't stick to my hand, and then it will help me smoothen up the patty. But since this mixture have mayo, we don't need any water. The mixture already have that moisture, but just in case we have it on hand. So just take a handful of grounded chicken mixture and start making a patty. Now here's another tip. Really packing them in will make a dense, heavy and hockey puck of a burger. And again, we don't want that. So just use a very light hand. Consider the fact that the patty will be eaten on a relatively delicate bun, not on a plate with a fork and a knife. So very light handedly, just shaped like a sausage, and here you can see it's so shiny and smooth just because of the mayo. And then just put in between your palm and press from the pointy end, and here you can see burger patty is ready. Just very light handed, just smooth the edges, and one of your burger patty is done. Now remember another fact, your burger will expand as you grill it, so just make a little dimple in the center of the burger. That way when the patty gets bigger, it stays perfectly fat and flat, not dome shape. Nobody likes dome shaped burger. Now keeping in mind the same tips, just use the rest of your grounded chicken mixture and make your burger patties. You can make that indent or a dimple after you put them on the platter. So all your burger patty are done. Just let them rest for 5-10 minutes, or you can put them in the freezer for your future use. And that's what I did. I make a big batch and throw them in the freezer. So I took them out next day, and here you can see they're completely frozen, rock solid, and I just took them off from the board, and that's why we use the plastic wrap. Here you can see the few of them which are by themselves on the board. It's hard for them to take out, but the ones which are on the plastic wrap, they're very easily coming off. So plastic wrap make them comes out very easily. So what I did, I took a gallon size bag and put my burger patty in there and throw them in the freezer again so I can use them later. So now it's time to grill our burgers. Just spray some oil on your grill. My grill is preheated. and it's on low to medium to low flame because I'm using my frozen burger patty. But if you are using fresh, you can cook them on a medium flame. So I just arranged my frozen burger patty on my grill, and then cover the lid and let them cook covered. You can skip the step if you are using fresh, not the frozen one. So just open up the lid after, I will say, like 3 to 4 minutes, and here you can see they are already cooking from the bottom. And hey, here's the cooked bottom part. You can flip it and let them cook again for like 3 to 4 minutes. It depends on the heat, it depends on your grill. The total cooking time for the burger patty on the grill should not be more than 10 minutes. I say it's a chicken, it will cook very fast, and we don't want them again to make a hard disc. We want to stay juicier from inside but brown and thoroughly cooked from outside. So to assemble our burgers, I'll be using some mayo to butter my hamburger buns. I have some hamburger buns, lettuce, tomato, and some cheese slices. So what I did, I just took my hamburger buns and spread a very thin layer on each side of burger bun, and just put that side down on my grill. You can use butter, you can use olive oil, or any other grease which you like to prefer it. But I prefer to use mayo because that will make that crispy top and at the same time keep my burger buns soft from inside. So when my burger patty was completely done, I transferred them onto the top shelf of my grill. Then I took a cheese slice and topped each of the burger patty with the slice of cheese. So here you can see the juiciest burger patty. Juices are still running out from the patty, but it's completely tender and done. So after 30 seconds or a minute, the cheese will melt it, and that's what we want, a melted grilled cheese effect. So just transfer this patty with the help of tongue onto the burger bun and top them off with the lettuce, tomato, or any other fixings you like. Now for example, if you don't have a grill or you don't want to get into hassle, go outside, take out the grill, or for whatever reason you don't want to grill them, so you can shallow fry them as well. So just heat up oil and then shallow fry them on each side for like 3 to 4 minutes, and when they get like nice golden color on top, just transfer them onto a piece of paper towel to absorb extra oil. And for melted cheese effect, I put my burger patties on a grilling rack and just put the cheese slice on top and just grill them in the oven for like 2 to 3 minutes, and they'll be done. Looking for a perfect juiciest recipe of a burger? You have come to the right place. This recipe is for those people who are craving for a burger but would rather not have a red meat. Try this delicious, flavorful, and juicy chicken burger exploding with flavors in your summer cookouts. I serve it with a side of french fries and a coleslaw, and if you try this recipe at home, don't forget to take a picture and tag me on Facebook, Twitter, or on Instagram. And if you want to learn something else, let me know, leave me a comment down below, and I try to make it happen for you guys. And once again, thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe and be a part of More Wish family, and click on the links to check my previous videos.